Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Deebii review question unit 1 of unit 2 biology grade 9. Gaabii kana dubbisaatii akkasitti gaa akkasii waliin godha shaakalliidha ni shaakaltaa deebitee gaafiin asitti isin jira deebisaa short and briefly isin godhee as gabaabsee isin aaneetiin jira ni dubbistan irra shaakalaa deebisaa Deebii biology kutaa sagalaffaa kan unit 1 TV unit 2 ti. So if you read deeply and also imagine how it is true or it is not true, you may first you should have to identify the answer, then you recognize or you compare with your books, then your mentor or your concept about this unit will maybe modified then. And also the answer for unit 2, this is a question and the answer is next of this. This is a question. If you see look from this answer from 1 up to 10, it's true or false. And also from the part 2 from 1 up to 8, the blank space, and the answer is with I have given on this. Then the explanation also part 3, as you see from this video, you can use by stopping this video, then write on your exercise book, then you also read repeatedly and also concept it or take it from this answer what you are understanding from this video. Inshallah I will try to explain by Aramaic and in the next video. Now just you understand or you take the only answer about this unit 1 and unit 2. So thank you for watching and subscribing and sharing, like, inshallah, for your friends, for your mates you can make. Until the next time we'll see. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.